Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. You can also make a playlist through the YouTube app on the phone. However, it is best if you can make it through the desktop version because there are more settings available here for you. So let's get started. Open any browser that you have on your computer and log in your YouTube account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile photo on the top right. Then click YouTube Studio. Once you're here, on your left panel, click Content. Then, as you can see here on the top, you've got videos, live, playlists, and podcasts if you have any. Click on Playlists. As you can see here, I don't have any playlists yet, but once you have playlists on your end, you should see a list here. Now let's go ahead and click New Playlist. You'll be asked for a title for the playlist, then you can add description, and then you can set the visibility of the playlist. You can have it public, private for yourself only, or unlisted. Now let me go ahead and make a quick title. And when you're done, click Create. So as you can see here, right now I don't have any videos uploaded to this playlist, so it would say 0. But once you have some videos in there, it should total the total videos in the playlist. This would be if you want to edit information about the playlist, you can go ahead and click the pen icon. You can edit the title, the description, even the visibility, and the sort of your videos in that playlist. If you have changes done, then you can click on Save. Now you can also click this shortcut so that you can go into the videos in the playlist. If you don't have any, then you can go ahead and click Add Videos. You can either upload videos on this playlist, or if you have any videos in your channel, then you can click on that and then maybe you can do this and then you can add it to a playlist. So I'll go ahead and add them and click Save. Once that's done, when I click back to my playlist, as you can see here, there's number 2. That means there are 2 videos in this playlist. You can also click this shortcut to watch the playlist. So as you can see here, here is the playlist that we have and the 2 videos in it. And then when you click these 3 dots, you should be given more option. You can get a shareable link, which you can send to your viewers or anyone you want to watch your playlist. You can also click edit on YouTube. So this is what it looks like. And you can also delete the entire playlist with this option here. And that's it. That's how you make a playlist on YouTube. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.